In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 dark edition SUVs that you get in the Indian market, which are priced below 15 lakh rupees. Yes, you heard me right. Top 5 dark edition SUVs under 15 lakh rupees. Now, why are we making this video? Because the dark edition SUVs are, first of all, very popular. People, when they buy cars, they black out the trims, for example, the logos, the badges, the alloy wheels. So, what manufacturers thought is that why not give a dark edition along with the existing variants itself. So the Indian automobile market, as I mentioned, the SUVs are gaining immense popularity, and among these the dark edition models are particularly eye-catching. They look very good, they look bold. Automakers like Tata, Nissan and Hyundai have introduced their SUVs in the dark edition, and these model features a striking black finish that gives a distinguished and a bold look, as I mentioned before. So now let's talk about the 5 affordable black edition SUVs that you can buy under 15 lakh rupees in the Indian market. Number 1, we have the Nissan Magnite Kuro edition. Now this edition is based on the mid-spec variant of the Nissan Magnite and is priced between rupees 8.31 lakh to 10.87 lakh at showroom, which costs around 34,000 rupees more than the standard variant, and it features an all blacked out scheme on the LED headlamp, grills, skid plates, roof, door handles. It gets 16-inch alloy wheels, and the interiors also get a midnight black theme to match the exterior, with piano black inserts on the steering wheel and the gear shifter as well. Number 2, we have the Hyundai Exter Night Edition. Now again, this is a dark edition of the Hyundai Exter, and it is available from the SX trim at rupees 8.46 lakh, which is around 15,000 more than the regular SX counterpart. It features black elements inside and out, making the car look really nice, and gets a contrasting red accent inside the cabin and on the exterior as well. So the exterior includes a black Hyundai logo, exterior badging along with black split plates and highlighted red accents. But don't confuse this with the N-Line edition, because the N-Line edition also get red accents all around. So this is the Hyundai Exter Night Edition, which is the dark edition of the Hyundai Exter. Now moving on, number 3, we have the Hyundai Venue Night Edition, again, which is the dark edition of this variant. So the prices range from 10.34 lakh to 13.57 lakh. It's available in the S optional trim. It sports a dark chrome element and a blacked out Hyundai logo on the grille. Now it gets brass accents on the wheels and bumpers, and it also gets a night edition badge that appears on the boot lid. So basically, if you see that night edition badge, you will get to know that this is the dark edition of the Hyundai Venue Night Edition. The number 4, we have the Tata Nexon Dark Edition. Now the Tata Nexon Dark Edition is offered from the Nexon Creative Plus variant, and you have to pay an additional cost of rupees 40,000 over the ex-showroom price. This model features an all blacked out color scheme extending to the alloy wheels and the skid plates as well. Now on the inside, it gets a black theme, while the leatherette seat upholstery stand out to be dark blue, which is so dark that it actually looks black in low light. Number 5, we have 2 cars from the same brand, the Citroen Basalt Dark Edition and the Citroen Aircross SUV Dark Edition. Format is based on, again, the top end max trim, and you have to pay an additional rupees 22,500 over the standard price range, which is rupees 13.13 lakh to 14.27 lakh. It obviously gets a similar all blacked out scheme with gloss black bumper and door handles, and looks absolutely fantastic. Now these dark editions offer unique styling options for SUV enthusiasts seeking something different without breaking the budget, and all these cars that I mentioned are under 15 lakh rupees ex showroom. So yeah, now you can have dark edition SUVs in your garage which are under 15 lakh rupees, and these are the 5 that you can buy from. However, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. And I hope you like this video. If you do like it, do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next one.